Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of EURCHF daily time frame. Now this was the low of the market and prior to this was the high of the market. Now this high has been broken and the market is going upward. This pair has resistance here. That resistance is broken now and it has the second resistance at this level at 1.04781. Now this was the low of the market, then market went for this high. This was the low of the market, this was the high of the market, then came down, this was the higher low, this and went up for this higher high. After this higher high came down for this higher low and now going upward for second higher high. These resistances, this resistance that was support previously, these are not strong levels. Here it will be broken, then where comes, let me put here this level. These are the levels that were support previously and now could give some resistance, but these are not the resistances as these resistances, as this resistance that was quite strong. Now that it has been broken and now this pair is going upward and going for the high after this higher low, now is going for the higher high. Where would we expect this? I think at least this higher high, the first what you name it, if we call this first higher high or high, then we will call this second higher high, then we can call it the third higher high, but at least this higher high is expected at this level. Then would come for a higher low and keep going up to this level. This is a very strong level and I don't know whether it will be able to break it or not, but at least this pair is now going upward to this level. And please like my this video, subscribe my channel and share my this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis.